Okay, in this video, let's implement the Bootstrap crispy forms because this form is not looking good at all. Okay, so go to Google and write Django crispy forms, and you have to go to this first result. Okay, so from here you can go to installing Django crispy forms. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is you have to install Django crispy forms. Copy this and let's go to here and stop your Django server. Make sure the environment is activated and just paste this pip install Django crispy forms. Okay, so once you install it, then you have to go to register your crispy forms inside the installed apps. All right, so copy this and go to settings. Here it is, settings installed apps. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, crispy forms. So once that is done, let's see what is the next step. So next you have to actually put this crispy template pack in your Django settings. Okay, so let's copy this one, crispy template pack. Go back to the settings and scroll down. So let's say crispy template pack. You can use uniform or you can also use Bootstrap 5 because we are actually using Bootstrap 5, right? So it's supposed the newer version of Bootstrap. So you have to say Bootstrap 5. Let me, instead of this uniform, I'll simply say Bootstrap 5. Okay. All right. Now we need the support for this Bootstrap 5 on our crispy form. Okay. So that's the reason we have to again install crispy Bootstrap 5. Okay. So you can install it by using pip install. Okay. Let's go back to the code and here in the terminal, just say pip install. Simply, I'll just copy this one, crispy -bootstrap 5. Paste it here. Okay, crispy bootstrap 5 is installed. Now you have to actually register this in your settings. Let's go to the insert apps. So here you can say crispy bootstrap 5. Okay, so just add this one, these two things, crispy forms and crispy bootstrap 5. Now your form should be working. Run the server, and you know what, no module named crispy bootstrap 5. Okay, so it is not hyphen, it is underscore, a crispy underscore bootstrap 5. Now it should be working. All right, now we are good to go. In order to load the crispy forms on your front end or the HTML, then you have to add the filter to your form. Okay, so what is that filter? So go to the register.html and just remove this as underscore p, just say pipe symbol. Okay, so this is what we use to add the filters. Then you say crispy. To make this crispy filter work, you also have to load the tag, right? So just say a load space crispy underscore forms underscore tags. Okay, crispy forms tags. Okay, just load this one, load crispy forms tags, and then form filter crispy. Okay, so now we can actually give it a try. Refresh the page and you can see email address, username, password, and confirm password. And this is taking the full width, but I don't want full width. I just want to go with the 600 max width. I'm going to register.html. So I'm going to say, I'll just cut this one and just say div with the class of container. With the class container, the h2, I'm going to say register and put this form. Okay, so this container will have margin top of 5 and we'll set the style max width of 600 pixel and Let's see how it looks. Yeah, we'll give one class to this text center. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, so yeah, this looks nice now. All right, so we also need one button, right? So we'll actually set one button here. We can say input type submit, value will be register, and the class will be btn space btn success. Let's see. Okay, so email address, username, password, confirm password, and register, right? So similarly, we'll have to create a login also. So first we'll finish the registration functionality, and then we'll go with this login. Okay, so that's about the Crispy form. And in the next one, we'll handle the post request. That is, when we click on this register button, the user should be registered in our site. So yeah, I'll stop this video and we'll see you in the next one.